how to remove tattoos on Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go and open your picture in a JPG or PNG format into your Photoshop. As you do this, then you're going to go to the heal tool. So as you go to the heal tool, there are different kind of heal tools: spot healing brush tool and healing brush tool. Let's say I'm going to go with the spot healing brush tool. Then you have to select the area how you want this to be looking like. So let's say I'm selecting this area and I will be making the head like this. So I'm going to select this area. As I select this area, then I have to go to the place where I want to remove this and click it over here. So what it will do, it will change your brush to that area that you are currently making with. So as you keep on doing, it will keep on removing your tattoo from your body. This is how you can remove tattoos on Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.